Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. Today we'll be unboxing some recent orders from Chanel. I do apologize because I lost my memory card and so I have to do this on my phone, but still wanted to share some of the new gift sets and launches from the Chanel makeup and beauty line with you guys, because most of these are limited edition and are selling out fast, so I wanted to put this up as fast as possible. So I have 2 orders to go through, so let's dive right in. So starting off with my first purchase from the holiday collection from about a week ago. I already shared this on Instagram and TikTok, but still wanted to share it on YouTube. This is the brand new palette and the only palette in the holiday collection. And you guys, I am in love with this palette. Look at that gold with the Chanel No. 5 bottle. I love these neutrals. I'm very much a neutral person, as y'all know, especially with makeup. And so I just am in love with this and think it's perfect for the holidays and for winter. And then everything I got is kind of based on this palette. Another item that recently launched, not a part of the holiday, but just recently, is the new Noir Allure mascara. I love mascaras. I have every single one of Chanel and Dior's mascaras, and I just love the mechanism on here and how it opens. The new lipstick has this feature as well. But this is the wand and I use it today and absolutely love it already. It's really great for defining lashes. I think it's great as like a finishing mascara if you use more than one like I do, but really loving this mascara and really excited that I was able to add this one to my collection. And then to close this mascara, you just press it down, which I just like how it's just a little bit different than the others. And then after that, we got some new lip colors. So this is the 195 lip color, and it opens the same way by pressing down on that compartment, and then it pulls out. And I just love this color. Again, it's just kind of neutral. It's a little bit different. It's a little bit warmer than what I normally have. I have a lot of lighter colors. And again, just thinking this one will be better for the holiday season. After that, I purchased another lip color. I'm just trying to add more to my collection because I don't have too many lip glosses. I primarily use lip balm, but I think this came out in the fall collection. I don't think this is part of the winter collection. Either way, I feel like it works perfectly for these colder months, but I just love this color. It's a bit brighter and I just think it's different than what I have. And then moving on to the next order, so there are new body oils for my 2 favorite scents, Chanel No. 5 and Coco Mademoiselle. I purchased the No. 5 because that's my favorite evening fragrance. I use Coco Mademoiselle during the day, and so I thought I would definitely use this more at night, especially with my birthday coming up and then the holidays. But it's like a glittery body oil and I am very excited to try this out. I love that it's gold, it goes with everything, and then it's that No. 5 scent, which just cannot be beat because it's a classic. And then now for everybody's favorites and probably what y'all have been waiting for, the new holiday sets. So I grabbed 3 this year and really excited to show y'all the 3 that I purchased. I purchased these all for myself. However, I might gift one of the makeup bags because I don't need this many makeup bags with the sets. So starting off, we have the Routine Reset, Go To Extremes, and Sheer Genius for a little variety. Let's open up the Cleansing Duo first because this is the one that I was most excited about. This one also already sold out, I believe, at my local boutique, so I think it's going to be very popular. And I think it's just because what comes with the bag. Not to mention you get this brand new gorgeous bag, which I'm very excited to add to my collection. I was most excited for this bag because I'm more prone to gravitate towards just general neutrals, as y'all know. And look how beautiful it is. I love the cream with the details. I just love it and can't wait to put it on my shelf. And then you get some really great everyday essentials in this bag as well. So this set comes with the full-size version of Tula Mousse products. So first is the cream to foam, which I already use and absolutely love. And then next is another item that I've been wanting to try, which is the cleanser. So 2 full-size items, and you get a pouch with it. For that, we have the mascara set, which comes with the adorable brand new red makeup bag, which is perfect for the holidays. And so here's a comparison of this year's versus last year's. And then this bag comes with 2 of my favorite essentials. So you get the La Base primer, which you can use on eyelashes as well as eyebrows. And then you also get the Chanel base mascara, which is, I believe, a staple. This is one of my favorite mascaras from Chanel, and it's a great take with you travel mascara. And then finally we have the Sheer Genius Lip Gloss Trio. So this is another one, again, since I'm focusing on adding more lip products that I was excited for to add to my collection. And this is the bag that I'm probably going to give away because it's the exact same as the other. But here are the 3 bags together so y'all can see how they look. And I just love the design. I just think they're so cute. Here are the 3 lip glosses. So in this collection, you get the Rogue Cocoa Gloss. This is $7.22. And then you also get the 712 as well as the 119 in this collection. And then that is everything that I have purchased from the Chanel holiday collection. If y'all have any questions, please feel free to let me know. And thank you guys so much for watching.